The skin around our eyes is often the first place where we see the signs of aging appear. BioLumin-C eye serum is formulated with 2 stable, highly bioavailable forms of vitamin C. They work synergistically to provide long-term stability and deliver more vitamin C where it is needed for the following superior results: polyphenol-rich argan tree extract and skin-nourishing chia seed oil rehydrate the skin, improving elasticity and diminishing the appearance of fine lines. Nutrient-dense tremella mushroom and microalgae lock in moisture, while Perea mushroom helps boost the skin's natural luminosity. When we consider that around the eye area there are about 100,000 movements that happen in the blink of an eye every single day, this is why it is such a difficult area to treat. With no natural oil glands, this is where we need to treat it very, very specifically. So you can see this formulation. Of course, eye products are always formulated in a slightly different way for that efficacy so that it can move in and do the work. But it is incredibly lightweight. It really glides over the skin. And this is something that you will use both morning and evening on cleansed skin, on dry skin, so that you can protect the eye area from further aging and environmental damage, but also so that you can get the results. So if you are seeing the aging beginning, the fine lines and the wrinkles, perhaps it is the sagging of the skin, the crow's feet, BioLumin-C will get to work very quickly for you.